Welcome to a video from digitallife.com. In this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a group call, video chat call with your friends and family without the need for them to have a Skype account. So you've got a Skype account, but they might not have to. They might have, it doesn't matter if they don't. And it's a really quick way of just doing it with a link. And I'm going to create a call now, and then I'm going to capture, I've got another machine set up and I'm going to show you how it works. So if I do meet now, there we go, you can see me on there. It's given me a link there. Now that link is applicable for 24 hours, and anybody with that link can join your call. So if I was to text with somebody that link, then they could join the call using the browser or using Skype if they've got Skype installed. If they've not, it doesn't matter. I can share that through email. I can copy it. I could do it through mail. So I'm going to use a mail. So I've got Gmail on my machine, just using the browser, so I'm going to fire that up. So it's created a blank email, and I could send that to whoever I need to send it to. So I'm going to send that to myself for now. Okay, so that's sent that. Now, like I said, I could also copy and paste that into text, WhatsApp, or whatever you want. You can send that. So let's start the call. On my other machine now, I've just been sent an email with the link, and I'm just going to I'll try and picture that in. So there you can see I've got the link. I'm going to click on the link. Now it's on this other machine now. It's asking me if I want to switch applications and open Skype. So I've got Skype installed on there, so I could say yes, but I'm going to say no, and I'm going to use the browser. And one of the buttons there is join as a guest, so I click on that. Put my name in and click join. So I haven't created an account, I haven't installed Skype, just using the browser with a name, and that's joining the conversation now. So I can include the webcam, say yes, I want to include my webcam and the mic. I can do join call. Yes, yes. Okay, so that's joining the call now. And there you can see now, here's the other angle, so there's the camera on that machine, and it's working. The other machine, it does have Skype installed, but I'm not using Skype, just using the browser. Didn't give it an account, create account, anything like that. And I could use that link to get multiple people installed on here, and I can have multiple machines on there. You see I've even blurred the desktop on one of the devices, and it's great, it works, it's really simple. So you don't need to have the app. They can have the app if they want, but they don't have to, and you just send them the link. So it's a nice easy way to create a group chat with friends and family. I hope that helps someone. So you can find out more on digitallife.com. I'm at Alex on Twitter.